Ten Kaonti ma Baringo kotudore kod Fid Dx Kenya ochako ayanga kampen mar golo remo mabiro dhi nyime kuom thuolo mar ndalo 3 ka gigeto skunde mag secondary mayudore e kaontino. Coordinator mochung' ne chenro mag golo remo e kaontino Mika Chebon owacho ni chenrono biro nikech achiedhnade mar yudo remo ka remo units 500 dwarore ute mag thieth mag piny owacho kod mag ji giwegi dwe ka dwe. Kaloso e skundi yawuoyi mar Marigar, Chebon nowacho ni nitiere dwaro mamalo mar remo ahinya kuom jotuo ma ok yud chiemo makare.
Part of the symptoms of this disease is severe anemia, and it is really draining, the bloodlets, the blood and the platelets from a patient, and they become very, very weak. And so part of the reason why we are here today is to conduct a blood drive, which is going to help us, have enough blood supply so that as we are treating these people, as we are addressing the problem, we have the ammunition.
Kalasa, it has become a very bad an illness which we have tackled from time memorial in Baringo. This is majorly because majority of the patients are nomads, and majority of them they are coming from Tiati. In 2019 we managed 25. In 2020 we managed 77 cases. In 2021 we managed 61. In 2022 we managed 124 cases. In 2023 we managed 191 cases, and since January 2024 up to now we have managed 91. And currently, as we are speaking, we have 17 cases in the ward. So the graph is still going high. We don't know when we are going to flatten the graph or when the graph is going to come down.